and in today's video, you can see that was my script and recording, but in today's video, I am in Montreal. You might be saying why is because I screwed up my Linksman installation of 20. But anyways, back to the main topic of this video, we are going to be making a Python window. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is install something like Code or Visual Studio Code. If you don't have it, you could use a note taker, or you could even use Nano. And if you can only use a terminal interface, I recommend Vim. Oh, do I have to install it? Sudo apps, whatever. But I recommend Vim if you can only use a terminal interface. So let's get started. The first step is to make sure you have all those stuff. The second step is to make sure you have Python installed. The third step is to go to your files, go to your documents, and as you can see, I tested this out. So you're gonna create a new empty file that's called test.py. And the fifth thing is you're gonna open it up and actually code the thing. No worries, I'm not gonna leave you behind and will make you do it all yourself, because I already went through the struggles and I want to show it to you. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is put from with a capital T, Tkinter, I don't know how you say it, but just correct me in the comments, and then put from Tkinter import, and then put asterisk. A reminder, you have to do it exactly like this, except for the enters. You could, except for like all the spaces here, new paragraphs, whatever. You can erase those, but I recommend them. So go to the fourth line and put window equals capital T, K, and these brackets, just simple brackets. Now to the sixth line. This is the title. What this does here is declare that the window is actually a thing, and we're going to do the title. So we're going to put window.title, and we're going to put the name of the name of it here. You have to have the quotes, and in the middle of the quotes, you put the name of the window. So right now, I'm just going to put test with a capital T. Oh. The next thing we're going to do is to define the dimensions, or whatever you want to call it, the width and height. So we're going to put window.configure. Let's see, I forgot how to spell configure. Okay, window.configure, and then put width at 500. So put these two brackets, and then in the middle put width equals 500, comma, space, height equals 300. You can change those numbers, just don't go over your resolution. And then put in that does the dimensions, and these are the last two lines of code, because Python isn't really that complicated. So it's a nice program to start with. But anyways, back to where it was. We're going to put the background to whatever color you like. So let's put window.configure, and then put in the middle of the brackets, you put this thing, I don't know what it's called. Put the color you want. So for now, I'm just going to do blue. And then before it, put BG and equals. Please. You can put BG equals, and then these two things, and blue, whatever you want. And the last one, last one, I think I called that the last one, but the last one is window.mainloop, and then these two. That's all. That only takes like about 6 lines of code without the enters and spaces and whatever. What this does, it just makes sure that the window can actually be sawn. If you delete this, then the programmer one is just you can't see the window. So that's all. Now for the easy parts. First, you're gonna go to the terminal and install Tkinter, whatever. You're gonna put sudo apt install python -tk. Remember, this is only for Python 2. If you're on Python 3, exit this video. And then put in your password. And 000. Okay, that means I upgraded it. I downloaded it already. So I already downloaded it, so there we go. Now, after we installed it, you're actually done. All you have to do now is put Python. Well, not yet, because as you can see, I'm not in my directory yet. So we're gonna change the directory from home, your username, to our documents. So documents. Enter. And now that we're in our documents, we put Python, and then put the name of your file .py. And as you can see, I didn't open it at first, but as you can see, here's my window with the blue background. Pretty nice. Well, not pretty nice because it's not a lot, but it's nice. So if we click Control C, oh, that doesn't work here. If we click, oh, whoops. So as you can see, it said that there's keyboard interrupt. That means that I just interrupted by doing Control C, but you can just go to the here and just do that. So basically, I'm done. You're basically done with the program. Be proud of yourself. Comment down below if you've been that far. Comment down below. I made my first program. And now I'm gonna actually configure this a little bit. So as you can see, I don't want it to be test. I want it to be 1. I don't want the width to be 500 by 300. I want it to be 300 by 500. And I don't want it to be blue. I want to try to put light blue. Never tried light blue before, but let's see. Let's go into terminal, Python. And as you can see, this is what happened. Light blue actually worked. And as you can see, the name is 1. So right now, I'm actually going to configure it to the way I like it to be. So 500 by 500. Let's put test. And instead of putting light blue, let's try green. Light green. Or lime. Let me just put lime. And as you can see in the background, I have lime, and it has all that. So you could also maximize it and minimize it, all that fun stuff. And that's all. So that's all I just did in this tutorial. So that has been under 10 minutes and not a lot of code. So I will put this in the description / comments because I know that some people may want to go like, okay, so we put FR. So some people don't want to do that. So I'll put that in the comments and description. So thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. Comment down below if you got this far that I made my first program. Thank you guys for watching. Any questions in the comment down below. I'm free and open for questions. And thank you for watching. Bye. That has been 9 minutes. Thank you.